I made a video earlier, but I don't know what happened. I put up the tent and invited 2 cousins over. And ended up with them 2 extra. My best friend's niece, Serena. Hi, Serena! And my brother's kids, niece and nephew. That's their cousin. Their uncle, their mother's uncle. Mother's brother's kid. Yeah. Yes, I know how to count. There's 1 child that's being bad inside with the movie. Of course, it's my own. Ha ha ha. It's 8:30, but it feels like 10. How about, let's say please?
Please.
Alright. Why don't you push him or see if he'll sit in. There's another bike somewhere. Reagan, get the Spider-Man one. Cadence, help him get up. Ugh. Cashed in 2 rain checks and ended up with an extra 1. What's the matter, T? I know that tree. The Grumps chopped down the tree and now it's just a pile of wood. We already had snacks. Oh no, spilled milk.
I think we're stuck.
I'm going crazy. Somebody help me. Ah. That's all right. I'm fixing to tell stories. We're gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna sneak off in the garage. And you already know. All right. Can can you handle it? Can you handle it? Oh yeah.